All right. So welcome everyone to this live session here with your host, Dre Day FX. So as we do every weekdays, we look at the indices in the Forex market here. So EURUSD, GPUSD, and EURGBP. And for the indices, we're looking at the US 30, S&P 500, and NASDAQ. So let's get on to it. I'm just going to make sure that everything is loaded here on my end. Perfect. And I'm going to share my screen. All right. So, boom, boom, boom. All right. Perfect. So, once again, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And let's get on to it. All right. Perfect. So let us start. So we did have the CPI news for the Canadian dollar. So let's look into what happened here at 8:30. So I'm pulling up Forex Factory here. So basically CPI month to month here, we're expecting 0.4% from the previous month of minus 0.3%, but we had as actual zero. So basically not good news here in regards to the CPI month to month. So the median CPI year to year. So we're looking at the we're looking at the 3.3%. The forecast was 3.8, well, 3.6%. So bad news here on that front. So we had the trimmed CPI year to year. We were looking at 3.6%, but we had 3.4%. So bad news. Same time. And later on tonight, we have the wage price index for the Australian dollar. So those are the biggest news here for this morning. So CAD was basically negative in all front. So if we pull up the any CAD pair, I'm just going to pull it up here. So let's say if you do USD CAD, we should expect some bullishness on USD CAD based off of the news. And that's exactly what we had here. So this is the 8 o'clock candle. Basically at 8 o'clock, basically at 8:15, we had a buy setup off of USD CAD. And we had an SG at the same time. So that's a good indication right before the news that the market was going to rally up. So if you have taken that trade, you would be in profit here off of basically the first 15 minutes of the news. And if we go on, let's say EuroCAD, and that was the biggest move here overall. And if you look at the biggest movers here on our Discord, if you're not in our Discord, you're missing out in a lot of information here on what to look for. So the euro was stronger than the Canadian dollar for this week. So we're expecting to have big movement here off of Euro CAD. That's exactly what we had here. And the news was pushing the market going up. And as you could see, we're bullish here since yesterday afternoon. So since then, no movement here towards going down. So all of the TPs that you're seeing here and all of the trades that came in right at London and beginning of New York, all of them hit profit. All right. Let's see. Perfect. All right. So let's look at the indices. So the indices, so we have the rally up here on US 30 for the 50-minute. So basically at 9:30, basically this candle here is the 9:30 candle here, and came in. Hey Leon, I hope you have a great day. All right, so that's US 30. Let's look at NASDAQ. So NASDAQ, we're bearish here since Friday. So still looking for bearishness. That's exactly what I was saying, you guys. Still looking to go short on NASDAQ. So it did do a push up here, but I'm still looking for bearishness here overall for NASDAQ. So continuing since yesterday, so that's perfect. Then S&P 500, same thing. We had a sell here, SR on right at the end of the New York session yesterday. So since then, still going down. We had a few sell setups here off of the 15. So that's good. Now let's look at the Euro USD. So Euro USD, big push in the upside. We had Euro as a big mover this week, so we're expecting to have big movements here on Euro. So that's perfect. That's exactly what happened here. We had a TP3 that was hit here. And let's pull up here GU. Still loading. So GU, we still had a rally up. We had the British pound as a big mover too for this week against the US. So that's exactly what happened here. As you can see, the market rally up. We had a switch green right here. We got a switch green here, buy, then another switch green, and that was the best move here at 8. So that was on the 5-minute chart, but I'm just gonna go on the 15 to show you guys. There we go. So bullish here since London. So 2 buys here, all of them hit TP. Perfect. And finally, we have Euro GBP. Let's put it up here. Euro GBP. Boom. So Euro GBP going strong sell since let's see here, since this morning here. So that means that the British pound is stronger than the euro for now. Expecting to have bearishness here on Euro GBP overall. All right. So that's pretty much the update here on that. Leon, hope you have a great day. If you want to speak with me, I'm on Discord. So Discord is open here. So I'm still waiting for any other setups, but most of the setups here were done at London, so they were perfect setups, especially on Euro USD and GP USD. So hopefully you had a chance to take those trades. And if it's the first time seeing my live, we do lives here every weekdays, Monday to Friday. So depending exactly on who's on or who's not on. Usually I'm on for at least an hour and a half. If not, I close it out earlier because I'm still working on my automation here. So everything that you're seeing here will be automated. So that way it's gonna take out the trades, and only a select few will have access to it. So if you want to have access to the indicator or the automation when it's going to be ready, make sure to fill out the form that you see on my website on the YouTube channel, and we'll see exactly how it will fit with what we're offering. Hey, Leon, how's everything? Hello. Oh, good, and you? Yeah, how was it? Okay. Uh, okay, that's good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Usually they're gonna do that move before the FOMC meeting. So usually, if you go back on FOMC week, most of the time it's gonna rally in one direction, and then the FOMC hits, and it's go on the opposite direction afterwards. So that's exactly what they're preparing right now. So, mhm. Perfect. Exactly. Yeah. So exactly. Yeah. So yeah, exactly. So in regards to, I'm gonna have an update in regards to the indicator by the end of this week. I will send it to you when it's gonna be ready, and that update will give you the higher time frame trend at the same time. So yeah. Yeah. So basically, what's the update will basically will filter out of off of the higher time frame wrinkle. So that means that let's say you're trading off of the 1 hour, but you want to have it following the higher time frame of a 4 hour, for example. So you're only going to see like the buy and sells off of the trend of the 4 hour on the 1 hour. So it's going to filter out the trades that you're seeing right now. So it will be, better trades and better entries. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll. Mhm. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. 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 Yesterday was bearish too. That's what I. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. You talking about Nasdaq? All right. Yeah. 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 Even the weekly starting this week, it's on the weekly. It's giving you a SR, so it's a good indication that should look at bearishness all week, and that's it's starting good. Yeah, I just showed you. Give me 2 seconds. Yeah, here's the weekly. You don't have it? Yeah, put it at from midnight to midnight. Your SRs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. That should be the way, like this. I'm showing you exactly the settings that I have. So ATR 14, and that's 45. Midnight to mid above. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Strange. Let me reload your page. But if you have the same settings, should have the same thing. Hmm. Here too. Whoop. No, it's okay. Mm, daily. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the weekly. I don't look at the weekly at all. It makes no sense. The way that we trade, it's not doesn't matter the weekly. But exactly. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. I received it too at the same time. There's another cell here. Mhm. All right. 10:01. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Pon- So Panyan. Got it. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Which one? Which one? Your yen? Yeah. Because yeah, there's another thing I have to tell you. Yeah, even though it's not on the COT list, you're able to trade that currency against anything else. So if the yen, yeah, if the yen is moving on any other pairs, you could still trade it. But I don't, I don't. Yeah, 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 yeah. There's no setup. There's no setups on it. Yeah, Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it was dropping like, oh wow. Oof. It was nice. It- yeah, it's at 2 p.m. my time. Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. Hmm. Hmm. Right. All right. Give me 2 seconds, Leon. I'm just gonna have to do something on my end.